Hi guys, Jesby in the UK with another update on the mypasivetrades platform for you. It is Wednesday the 4th of September 2019 and as per usual we're just going to do a little run through. The reason for doing a sort of a midweek video rather than waiting to the usual sort of Saturday, Sunday videos are doing it. Reached another little milestone with mypasivetrades. Actually hit $5,000 in active ad packs. Which is quite an achievement considering I started with, I think it's around about $10 or $20 on the 2nd of Jan this year, so it's really progressed in leaps and bounds really. So if you're new to any of my videos on mypasivetrades, basically mypasivetrades is an advertising platform that has a rewards program attached to it, and for once, rather than the old model which was obviously of revenue sharing type platforms, etc., where pretty much in all cases there was no actual external funds coming into those programs other than people actually buying ad packages, etc. So over time, obviously, they're literally going to run out of funds to pay everyone what they need to pay, you know, depending on what percentages. And often in the early revenue share programs, they actually over-egged the percentages that they were offering, so statistically the maths just wasn't there for them to sustain a regular daily amount and actually pay it on dwindling income. Now with the guys over at mypasivetrades, basically what they do, they have external trading going on. We have regular updates and live proofs of actual trading going on, so that's how they basically fund the rewards part of the program. Now on the site you'll see here it's saying earn passively every day up to 1.25% daily with a sustainable plan and real trading proof. Now I've been in it, as I say, since the 2nd of Jan 2019, and it's actually paid every day at 1%. So they are obviously saying they're up to 1.25, but certainly since I've been in it, it's 1% a day, which I'm more than happy with anyway. That's fine. For me, what I like about it, it's kind of, other than coming in each day, you know, buying some more ad packs, checking on my ads, you know, topping up the credits, etc. There's very little to do with it. You know, they go off and do what they need to do. And if you are looking to sort of promote it, they offer a pretty good affiliate program. Basically, there's 11% they pay out on affiliate commissions. First level referrals, so basically anyone you introduce, you get paid 8% on any purchases that they're making, and then on the second level, which will be the referrals of your referrals, there's actually a 3% payout on that as well. And that's all factored into the way this is all you know, all sort of costed out, if you like. So for every dollar going into the program, obviously there's 89 cents that goes into the pot, so they can go off and do their sort of trading to get us the rewards, and 11 cents is put aside obviously to cover commissions. Now if you're looking at the 1.25%, but let's focus on the fact it's doing 1% a day at the moment. So that means those trade packs will trade for 125 days, at which point they expire, because you will have your 125% back, the 100% being your original $5 on the ad pack. Now as you can see, if you've got 89 cents that's gone into the pot on every dollar, so let's use $100 as an example. You've bought 20 packs, so you've got $100 worth of your ad packs that have gone in. So $89 has gone into the pot, and then the $11 is set aside to obviously pay commissions. So effectively, the guys need to be looking at a 36% shortfall in terms of what they've got to pay you. So with the trading, they definitely need to be hitting around about sort of 10% a month to guarantee paying out the 1% or even up to 1.25%. If it went to 1.25%, obviously it just means the lifespan of that ad pack will be shorter, but I'm basing it on what it's actually been since I've been with the program, so 1%. So it'd have to trade for 125 days to complete. So we're just over the 4 months. So you can see, as long as they're hitting sort of 10% a month, which gives them 40% over the lifetime of that ad pack, the returns are there. And for those of you who know about trading, etc., I mean, 10% is very, very conservative when we're talking monthly. and these guys are building up, you know, healthy reserves anyway. So that's kind of how it works. So it's an advertising platform with a rewards element to it for those who participate in it and buy the ad packs. Obviously, I'm not going to run through all of the site word for word and everything. You can have a look at that by clicking the link below. There is a little introduction video on the site from Darren Bradbury. He's one of the co-owners of mypasivetrades. Basically, mypasivetrades, the holding company is Polaris Universal Limited. Okay, so they have some other programs as well, but obviously the one I'm bringing you the video about is mypasivetrades. So let's log in and we'll show you the back office here. Right, so we'll do the login. Now when you log in, the only other requirement is you've got to watch a 10-second login ad. This is one of their other platforms, which is the Eureka Exchange. But from time to time, you know, other people who are in the program can actually use their credits to actually put their programs they want to promote onto the login section. So you will see different things from time to time pop up here. There we go, we've done the 10 seconds, so let's move through to the back office. Okay, what we're going to scan down and show you is the reason for doing the video today, because I'm really happy another milestone's been reached. So $5,000 in active ad packs. Now basically what that means, guys, at the 1% a day on the rewards program, so I'm getting $50 a day now on my active ad packs. And the beauty of that is it goes straight into your wallet. You're not forced to rebuy any ad packs or participate in anything else. You can literally take that out to your Bitcoin wallet. They have actually added, I believe it's Perfect Money, which I'll show you in a second. So there's two options now. Previously it was Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, which is what I will use anyway. I wouldn't use another processor. But for those of you who are a little bit weary of using Bitcoin or have no idea about it, you can choose Perfect Money, which is a similar sort of setup to a PayPal type thing, really. So you can see also today I've got $124.95 there to take out. I am going to do a withdrawal today just to show you how that works, but I'm also going to actually make a purchase now. So literally most of the bits you're going to sort of interact with if you decide to come on board with mypasivetrades is literally the left hand section here. You've got the My Account tab. I'll just run through these very quickly. Account Overview, which is the page we're looking at now. General settings would be obviously your details, etc. And cash out settings would be to do with your Bitcoin wallets or your Perfect Money. My Wallet, you've actually got your wallet balance. You can deposit money or withdraw. And the Passive Trades pack, so you can basically choose to buy ad packs or you can view your existing ad packs. Trading School, I'll skip over that at the moment, but it's basically if you want to learn about trading, there's two packages there. I believe it's one of them starts at $99, which is sort of a video package, and there is a more detailed one, which is more one-to-one type mentoring. I think, if memory serves, that's just shy of about $500 on that one. Purchase advertising, so you can buy extra ad credits. You've got directory ads, because there is a sort of a traffic exchange in the background here, so you can list some sites on that. Let's get out of that one. My websites. So obviously I've got one, I think I've got it down to one site that I've got on the login ads at the moment, so I just need to add credits to that on a regular basis. And we've also got manage ads, so there are banner ads that you can place and text ads when you buy your ad packs, so I'll show you those in just a sec. History, you can review your transactions, commissions, deposits, etc. in separate sections. And then referral program, you've got referrals. I'm not going to press that because that will actually bring up my referrals details, and obviously I've got to keep those private. And promotional tools, let's have a quick look in there. So you've got your link that you would use to promote the program, and then you've got other banners that you can use on other, traffic sites, exchanges, you're doing FB posts, etc. So there is material for you to use there. Let's go back to, let's go to the Passive Trades pack, because what we're going to do is actually use, I think we'll use $20. We'll buy 4 packs now for the purpose of this video. So you can see here the Passive Trades plan, shares expire at 125%. Each ad pack effectively costs $5, and you can see there no surfing required to earn. So unlike other programs that I actually do videos about, my ads up, obviously to earn in that one you do have to view ads. Here the only thing you're required to view is that login ad when you come in. Okay, so let's put 4 ad packs there we're going to buy, and you've got payment option. You can see Perfect Money now pops up as well, so if you transferred funds via Perfect Money, you could pay with that, but I've got it in Bitcoin, so we'll choose that one, and that will take $20 off of that. So let's buy now, and job done. And there we go, you get confirmation share successfully purchased. So if I now go back to account overview, you will see that the balance has gone up. So I've now got $5,020 in active ad packs, and obviously my total balance has gone down to that amount. So what we will do, we will show you a withdrawal being done. Let's go to my wallet. So literally I just click this one and we'll go through to the next page. So once you're on the withdraw money page, you would just literally select your balance. So if you've got something in your Bitcoin wallet, or if you put in by Perfect Money, that would also be an option. You key the actual amount you're taking out there. You select what your Bitcoin wallet address, or it could be Perfect Money if you're doing it via that way. And there will be a security question here. You'll just complete the answer there and hit withdraw. So I'm just going to enter the relevant details there. So we're looking to take out $104.95, and we'll be back in just a moment. Okay guys, just got that through. You can see we've got the withdrawal request has been initiated. It gives you a new balance which is zeroed out, and that's the amount I've taken out. You'll get an email coming through from the mypasivetrades guides just confirming the transaction, so it's always well worth looking out for that. And that's the email you basically get through, guys. So you'll be looking for a subject line that says your withdrawal request has been initiated. Just confirms that withdrawal request has been initiated and gives you the transaction details. So $104.95, payment method is not shown, but you obviously know it's Bitcoin or Perfect Money depending on what you're doing. And yeah, so once you've got that, at least you know it's happening in the background on the system. Okay guys, so we're back on the account overview page, and if we scan down, we can now see that the total balance has zeroed out, and I've got a pending withdrawal there for $103.90. There is a 1% fee whenever you actually withdraw from mypasivetrades, which compared to a lot of other programs is pretty cool, so you don't mind paying that. And that will obviously just remain pending until that hits my blockchain wallet. Right, so moving on. So we've covered the purchasing ad packs. We've also covered the withdrawal. So now we're going to just double check our sort of ad positions here at the moment. So if we look at text ads, for instance, running 3, just need to see if I need to add any. They've all got credits, so we're fine on those. You can have up to 5 credits in the background on the text ones, and I've got 3 running at the moment. Let's just check banners. I've got 13,000 credits I could use there. For the moment, the 125 by 125s are no longer on the site, and I don't know if they intend bringing them back. So these ones I'm not adding any credits to, even though they were, that particular banner size was the most popular in terms of getting clicks. But yeah, for some reason they've actually been removed. We can see on this one we've still got credits, but this one we haven't got any there. So what I'll do, I'll add 2,000 credits there, just so it's got something in the system. And there we go, so everything's got credits and it's all off and running. But it's as simple as that, guys. Obviously, if you wanted to do a new banner, you would literally just come into the relevant section, click new banner, and you would literally put your banner name there, banner title. You need the URL where your banner file is held, the actual website address of where your traffic will go. You just pick which section it's going in on the site, and then you can choose which days. I usually just run right the way across and have every day active, but you can choose what you want to do with that. You would assign the number of credits you have available. If you leave it blank, there'll be no limit. They'll use them as they can allocate them each day. But if you only want to use, say 100 a day, you would just put 100 in there. Make sure you just tick the I agree, and then add this banner. Simple as that, guys. So that pretty much covers it. I think once you've got the credits, you come in, as I say, check the new banner or new text ads, login ads. Let's just go and have a look at those. And I think that's probably my ads up banner there as well. Let's just have a look. So this one I use for my ads up as well. I did find when I was running more than one login ad thing, the other sites weren't. There was no credits actually being used. It was almost as though it only kind of works with one. Now that may not be correct, but it's certainly my experience that the other logins that I was putting into the system they weren't actually running. So yeah, a bit of a weird one there. We've got 90 credits there. It's not a lot, but we might as well use them up. Put them in here. We'll assign the credits. Do you want to assign them? Yes, I do. And you can see once you've assigned credits, you can get everything sort of goes live. So the 90's there, and I'm sure I'll be getting some hits through today. Obviously, the more you could leave building up in the background and come in here and put a couple of thousand credits in would be better than just doing small amounts. But for the purposes of the video, I just want to show you how you actually allocate your credits and start getting the hits on your login ad as well. And again, it's traffic-wise and hits-wise. I mean, you certainly do get clicks on the links, but I'd say some of the other programs, I mean, I'm probably getting better stats from, but I still view it. I'm buying ad packs in my passive trades anyway, so I might as well use them to cross-promote other programs I'm in. So, you know, obviously I'm going to advertise my passive trades in my ads up and vice versa, and just cross-promote. AdsEarnBTC is another one. That I certainly would put in any of these. It just pays off, guys. You might as well just cross-promote your programs. It's an easy way to use up your ad credits anyway. But I think that is pretty much all we want to go over at the moment. So yeah, I'm really loving this program. I mean, what I will do, let me just show you again, just so you've got proof of when I started in it. There you go, guys. I've come to the history section, and you can see there payments and deposits. And on the second, it's American format, so it's the 2nd of the 1st, 2019. Excuse me, $10. And when you see credit from administrator, basically what that means is you pay your funds into the site, and then obviously the administrator allocates them to your account. So that was completed on the 2nd. I literally tested it for a few days just to see, you know, were the earnings being added on. Obviously on $10 it was only like 10 cents a pop or whatever it was. Saw it was working okay, and then literally 3 days later came in with another 45, so that bought me another 9 packs. And yeah, I left those running a while, but you can see then we've kind of come in and just regularly throughout the months added a bit more here and there. Now obviously through promoting the program, let's actually go back to account overview. You do earn those commissions through promoting it, and I have got a decent team on my level 1, and actually a pretty good build also on level 2. So as my team members are going in and buying their ad packs and everything, it obviously helps with the daily money I'm getting going into the wallet that enables me to buy more ad packs. So that's what's kind of grown my balance, you know, quite significantly anyway. So from a $10 start on the 2nd of Jan, not too shabby to be on the 4th of September with an active $5,000 worth of active ad packs in. They're earning me 1% a day. Now obviously, because I've been in it this length of time, as I say, some of those ad pack shares will have expired by now. You'd expect after, you know, literally every 4 months you're going to have an active ad pack expire, depending on how you might have bought 1 on a day, 10 on a day, whatever, but they're going to run their cycle and that's it. They're going to suddenly drop down into this section. So it also is something to bear in mind in terms of if you want to maintain the passive income you're getting out of your active ones. That's why you do need to not sort of be going in every day and clearing your wallet out. You actually do need to go back in and buy some more ad packs to keep that at a certain level, because otherwise your daily earnings are just going to sort of dwindle away. So hopefully that's clear. But as I say, there's plenty of other videos I've done on the program. There's loads of information out there. So there's quite a lot of people in this, you know, and we've all got our own little sort of stories on it. So you can certainly do your due diligence on this program. Very, very transparent owners behind it, regular live updates. There's live trading proof. They do have a Facebook page as well, which there'll be a couple of links below this video, so you can go over and check some of the live FBs sort of posts that they've done, etc. But I highly recommend this program. It's probably one of my favourite programs online, because it's just kind of, at the moment, there's stress-free. You just kind of do what you do with it, and just goes on in the background and delivers the 1% daily. So more than happy with it. But as I say, do read the disclaimers below. Anything in the crypto sort of sphere can be risky, and obviously, you know, none of us know, regulations could change at any moment. So you know, where governments can allow certain companies to operate certain programs in any territory, that could all suddenly change as well. So but you know, as I say, I've been with it since January. They started, I believe it was sort of September, October last year, so it's been as good as gold since then, and long may it continue. So that's it. We've just hit, what, 20 minutes on this one, so that was it. But the key thing was just to sort of do a little kind of midweek video just to celebrate the fact that I've hit another little milestone there of 5,000. So I think the next one will be, I want to say 7.5, but possibly even 10. But we'll do another one. We hit those two as well. Okay, but we'll be doing the usual sort of weekend updates, I'm sure, as well. And that's it for this one. As I say, if you're interested in having a look at My Passive Trades, the link is below in the description. Once you go through, as I say, I recommend you watch the video that Darren Bradbury has on that front page. And obviously, if you've got any questions on it, just reach out to me. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, as always, and I'll see you on the next one.